Good morning. The sun is shining and it is beautiful. Finally, a day of good weather. Good-ish weather. It kind of looks cloudy that way. We're going morel hunting today. Do you guys know what morels even are? They're mushrooms and they're delicious. I don't even like mushrooms, but I like morels. So let's go find some. Where's our child?
There it is.
Oh, there he is.
You didn't even notice I got my hair did.
I did.
Except it looks horrible right
I
now.
noticed.
It's all pulled back.
I noticed.
You did?
Uh-huh. All right. Now, we just need to start looking around for the mushrooms. Where are they, Abel? Look at Abel. Just spotted a bunch of pottery and glass and stuff. Some old stuff. Yeah? More up here? Whoa. Oh, dude, look at this.
What?
This one's got hallmarks on it.
Yeah, I saw that.
What the heck? That's old, man. And that's old tin. That's old tin.
Yeah, I saw.
Man, you got a knack for treasure, don't you? This whole area was actually mined for gold back in the 1860s, so you never know what you're going to find laying around. But we're not looking for treasure right now. We're looking for morels.
That is treasure.
A culinary treasure.
That's treasure.
It is treasure. They're really expensive. I don't know if you've ever bought them. Comment down below. How much did you pay for them?
$45 a pound.
Yeah, like 45 bucks a pound. We need a pound. We need to just go sell some morels.
Or it could be even more than that. I forget. It's a lot.
Okay. Need to focus. Where are the morels? I am not a mushroom expert, but I'm fairly certain you're not supposed to eat those. We're on the right track.
We're on the right track, y'all.
This is a North American hot dog tree. Hot dogs have been known to grow on here. It's very rare to find a hot dog tree and a bun tree in the same vicinity. What'd you find?
Another mushroom.
Yep, that's
My favorite moss.
a no-eat-em.
Yep. It's my favorite moss too.
Spongy.
I found my favorite.
It's extra spongy because it got wet from the rain.
Comment down below if you know what kind of moss this is, because we have no idea.
Fluorescent green.
Yeah.
Well, I know why morels are so expensive now. They're hard to find.
I don't know if anybody farms them either. Like, you can't find them in grocery stores.
They're the spores are too hard to farm.
It's like purely wild.
Purely wild. Check these ones. Look at these. These are cool looking. I don't know what they are. Really cool looking though. No. Just these weird little mushrooms.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, look at. They have like strange little caps on them. Check this out, guys. That is some poop. What kind of poop is that? I know.
Down below.
Comment down below if you know what kind of poop it is. I know what kind it is. Here is another very strange fungi that we should not eat. Safe to say, we're finding every kind of mushroom except for morels. Another variety. Look at this. It's interesting. I don't know if this was to get water somewhere, or maybe this was a fire line. It's kind of strange. Let's follow it. Let's see where it goes. This is kind of crazy. I would have thought that we would have found at least one by now. Like, this is a really good area. We're in the right elevation. This is like burned over, which also helps with those mushrooms for some reason. They like the burned areas. Haven't found anything yet.
Hey, Dad,
Huh.
look at this beautiful moss.
Ooh. That is a beautiful moth. Look at that.
He's just right exactly where he was. Right there.
Huh. This little ditch kind of ended. There's a fall in this little ditch. Looks like it just kind of peters out over here. Look at these.
Guys, there's a spring.
Hey guys, there's a spring.
Oh yeah? Oh, sure enough.
Got a scratch.
Well, you can't tell me it was like a bleeding scratch.
Walk it off.
That's an owie, not a scratch.
Oh, I got owie.
I really want to know where this road goes. This is an old area. I mean, like, it used to be 1860s mining town, right? So, like, why is this road here? Where does it go? I just want to know. I just want to know. Also, just want to find a mushroom. Just one mushroom. That's all I want. Check this one out. That's crazy. Some more of these guys. Well, I think if there was morels up here, we definitely should have found one. So that leads me to believe that maybe there's just not any around right now. Abel found something cool though. Check this out. Old harmonica. You just found it right up there by the old glass?
Yeah.
Sweet, man.
Before we go, let's go check if we see any more.
Okay. I think we should go back to the cabin, reevaluate the plan, maybe go fishing. I don't know. All right, you rapscallions. Another day, family vacation up at the cabin, going fishing today. Hopefully, gonna do some catching today. We're gonna be trolling, taking the boat out for the first time of the year for some kokanee. Trying to convince the wife to go. You don't wanna go. You don't wanna get stuck on the water all day. That's what happens. Because she knows that, like, I don't usually stop until I catch stuff. So, could be out all day. This is the secret ingredient. Can't go kokanee fishing without some shoe peg corn.
There's some in the freezer I should use.
Oh, we have some already. Okay, got it. Hey, Wall! Are you dressed? We got fish to catch! And you gotta season it.
Oh, no, I hate that.
Because I'm a dutiful wife.
I forgot to show you guys, but while we were down fishing the other day, Abel got onto a really cool bottle spot, and he is pretty pumped about what he found. Wow. That's like a 1930s Purex.
Yep.
That's an old bottle, man. It's got some stuff in there, huh? Oh,
Found the jackpot.
Found the jackpot. Oh, wait a second. Hey, get out of there. Get out of there. Comment down below, tell this guy how pumped you are for him about finding some of these cool antique bottles. And maybe a little bit later, we can give him a tour of the spot. Mm-hmm. Would you like to do that?
Yes,
Okay.
I would. I just want to open. Hey guys.
Okay, I think we're ready. But before we go, you'll only make this mistake once. Double check, make sure your plug is in, and that you have an extra one as well. Let's roll. All right, we've got the first successful launch of the season. Boat's in the water. Oh, it's finally beautiful. It's funny, for the first 5 days we've been here, the weather hasn't got above like 60 degrees, and it's been getting down into the 30s at night. And we've been watching the snow line creep down the hills. And now it's beautiful. It's supposed to be 91 next week.
Has it been raining every day? Did you say that?
Yes.
Okay.
Stupid rain.
Gorgeous today.
All right, we gotta get your life vest on, buddy.
Pick one.
The red one,
The red one.
I think, is the one that you want, bud.
Yeah, I'll take that fish, eh?
Okay, guys, we're marking lots of fish right now. 30 feet. We should be running right through them. Okay guys, we just had a fish on at 43 feet on the downriggers. I think that it might have got off because, well, I don't have the proper kokanee rods. I didn't bring them up. I wasn't anticipating using the boat at all, but I just couldn't help myself. I am running snubbers on, which if you don't know what a snubber is, it's basically like a rubber band attached to your fishing line. These fish have really soft mouths and it's easy to rip their lips and they get away. So in order to prevent that, like kokanee rods usually are really flimsy, and yeah, that helps a lot.
And I'm using this.
What do you got? Whoa, that's quite the setup. I hope it works for you. How deep you running?
About 3
feet.
About 3 feet?
He's on the dip and drag method.
I could sure use another fish call.
Yeah, fishy. Yeah,
Maybe it needs to be a woman.
fishy.
Yeah, it's pretty late in
I
the
don't know.
day.
Women
so.
on board. Women on board the boats is usually bad luck. I thought, right? Or is that when you're out to sea?
Yar.
Yarr. I don't know. I was good luck when we were out to
There
sea
be
that
no
one
women on Pirate Steve's boat.
time. I caught the first fish when we were deep sea fishing that one time.
You did catch the first fish that one time.
So
Now look at you.
it's an old wives' tale.
You
Maybe.
don't even have a license.
I'm gonna get one.
I've got a 2-pole license. Everybody relax. And he doesn't even need one yet. Oh, hang on.
Oh, something's happening.
I think I got a fish. Hold that.
Fish out!
I think so. Oh yeah, we got a fish.
Yay!
Oh yeah. Bubba,
Don't
you wanna
lose
reel
it.
Wanna reel it? Okay, he's a pretty good fighter. You ready? Okay, get the rod.
He's trying to get his little
Yeah.
setup off his finger.
Okay, keep the rod like that, okay?
Yeah, he is a heavy.
Fighter, huh? Don't hog them in too hard. Remember, they got soft little mouths. So they'll run ashore. Is he still on?
Yep.
Okay, keep reeling.
He's
Okay,
pulling me
keep
away.
coming over here.
He's pulling you?
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Reel him right in.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
Is that a carp?
Yeah.
Dang.
These are non-native, and they are pretty gross to eat.
They're invasive here.
Yeah. So
We bop them, huh?
we bop them.
And then it becomes food for birds, and
birds.
other animals.
They do like the chartreuse for some reason.
I knew it too. I was like, that's a carp. You can tell by his yellow fins, huh?
He's yellow. Look at bald eagle. He's coming in for our fish.
Good.
That's what he's doing.
Oh, that'd be rad if we could see.
I know.
Grab it.
Look at that. Oh, bald eagle!
Oh well.
Oh, I see him now. There's a bald eagle nest. I can totally see him. Yeah, he's got a bald head. There's another one right there in the tree.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's bald eagle.
You think that's a chick?
Nah, his head's too white. They have brown heads, and then they slowly turn white as they get about a couple years older. Well, that definitely wasn't the maiden voyage that I was hoping for. Would have been nice to land a fish or two, but nevertheless, had a great time. What a beautiful day to be out on the water. Now, what are we going to do with the rest of the day? Okay, the boy and I decided that we wanted to go out and do a little bit of treasure hunting. I saw this old grove of locust trees right here, and they are not native to this area. So whenever we see those, we know that generally they were planted because they were windbreaks for a house. And sure enough, check this out. Old concrete slab foundations. We've got a bunch of rocks up here that maybe was another foundation, and giant cottonwood. Another tree that you don't see typically growing up here. And what are those, Abel?
What? Oh.
Is that fruit trees? Those are fruit trees, aren't they?
Yep. And you know what that means. There's an outhouse around here. Getting really close. Remember the last spot we found?
Oh yeah. Look at
A
that.
whole bunch of batteries and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Getting close.
Light bulbs and batteries and all
Light
sorts of
bulbs?
stuff. I think. There's some more metal.
Like that.
Man, it's pretty overgrown though, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's cut up.
Yeah.
That was probably for one. Getting closer. You hear it. You hear it. Oh, girl. Come on, come on. Look at this.
All right, guys. Abel has spotted some sort of farm implement or an old rig or something. I don't know what it is. It's out here. You can probably see the locust trees behind me still. So maybe this was like being farmed at one point or something. I don't know. We made it. Now what the heck is it?
Yeah.
You up on your tetanus shot? Just checking, okay? I have no idea what the heck this thing is. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Look at that.
What? Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this was like some sort of hopper. Got an auger in there.
Dad!
Would have fed into that and spit something out.
Dad, I found clues.
You found clues?
Yeah.
What kind of
Might
clues?
tell us what it is.
What kind of clues?
It's like
It's made by John Deere. Number 12A. All right, well, now we know what to look up. We should have known it was John Deere. It's green on this side. Maybe not so much on the other side. What do you got over there?
whatever it is.
Oh, yep, it says John Deere again, huh? Look at that. Safety first, John Deere. Whoa. It's not park trampoline. Get off of there. Hey, seriously though. Come on, I'm trying to make a video here. I do know now that it was made by John Deere, and I know that John Deere makes farm stuff. So if you know what kind of John Deere farm thing that is, comment down below. You ready? Let's get back to the Jeep. We got exploring to do. Guys, I had a super awesome day today. We hope you did too. Thanks for joining us. Maybe tomorrow we'll catch a fish. Maybe tomorrow we'll find some treasure. But until then, see you on the next trail, adventurers.